Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on Google Play Store on Lenovo Yoga tab. To do this, first let's open a Google Play Store. Inside, when we look for games like Call of Duty, it's right here, but we can't click on it. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture and move to the settings. Select Family, go for Parental Controls, and right here either disable Parental Controls entirely with a switch, or go for Apps and Games, insert the PIN code, and increase PG to at least 16. Now we can go back and look for the game again. And it's right here, we can install it. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.